Okay guys, welcome back. Today we have an ASSA oval shaped cylinder. It's the same kind of cylinder that you have seen on my channel before. I made quite a few challenge locks from this type of cylinder. I have I think 17 of the same type and keyway. So this particular one is my number 7, and I pinned this up with a new kind of I'm trying out new pins to challenge myself, and I also have this number 4 that I keep as a training and testing lock. I test various pin configurations and also pin lineups in that one. So I put this number 7 together to really challenge myself, and I thought we'd try to pick this one today. So I'll clamp this one up in the vise and we'll go from there. Hang on. Okay, I'm going to use this pick for this job, and a fat tension bar. Tension it to the left. So let's go. And I come to realize that these new pins that I made, they're all custom, 7 of them in the top. These don't really respond to the regular treatment I usually give regular serrated pins. These they behave kind of differently, and if I get it picked and show you the pins, I can explain further. So hopefully we'll get this. I have picked this one a couple of times, about 2 days ago, but haven't been able to get it open since. It's proved to be a real challenge. Maybe we'll get this one open in time. I get a lot of clicking and the slightest of counter rotation on nearly every pin. I can feel that. I will never get those deep falsets like you get with spools. Oops. I think I overset something. Typically. It's typical. Oh. I overset something, yes I did. Hopefully got it back. Hard to tell. Try a triple peak. Something more is overset. Oh, that's a bugger. Got it back. I lost it again. I found these new pins particularly well, actually they're not the same, everyone is unique, but they share the same concept. Hopefully we'll get this. Already 7 minutes, 7.5 minutes, so that's no good. Okay, I got a deep falset and I got it open, yay! So let's see, we got about 2 minutes of recording time left. So let's see what we have. Turn this all the way around and empty out these pins. Have a serrated, another serrated, oops. Serrated, serrated, Another serrated. Okay, the last one. Come on. There we go. And all the bottom pins are standards. I just wanted to show you these. Okay, that's a close-up of these 7 pins, and with the exception of this one, the number 4, all of them share the same concept and style. It's a very shallow cut, but a rather tall cut. So when you try to pick this, the shear line will move inside of the shallow cut. And in comparison to a regular serrated pin, as we can see here, I made this as well. You have a rather deep cut, but it's not very tall. And that makes this type of serrated pin rather predictable to pick, because when you reach the shear line you can really feel it, because it doesn't feel like moving along the serrations anymore. And the idea is to, when you move this pin across the shear line, it will grab on to the small bump right here, instead of falling into a groove like on a regular serrated pin. So when you move this pin up and past the shear line, you will have a slight counter rotation, and that will drop one or more of the other pins that you already set or think you have set. And the idea, of course, comes from the ASSA pin, which also have a shallow cut and also rather tall cut with this bump on the end. So that's the idea. And this number 3 and number 6 also have a small dimple serrated thing on the end to catch on the shear line. That's the idea. It's a very nasty pin, and having 7 of them with some irregular patterns on them, that makes it very unpredictable to pick, and it's a real nasty business. So anyway, that's my number 7. Thank you for watching. I'll put this one together and maybe ship it out to someone, some poor bastard. So thank you for watching, and see ya.